Good day to all employers in Hong Kong. My name is Angela Carrillo. I'm 32 years old. I'm a single. I live in Silangit, Mulabi, Zamboanga del Sur. I'm a high school graduate. I'm ex-abroad. For my first employer, country of Saudi Arabia, I served 6 members of the family, 2 adults, the mother and father, 4 children, aged 10 years old, 9 years old, and 7 years old, and 3 months old. My duties and responsibilities: cooking, cleaning, washing clothes, ironing clothes, taking care of the 3 months baby. I finished my 2 years contract from April 2018 to December 2020. My second employer, country of United Arab Emirates, I finished my 4 years contract from June 2021 up to June 2025. I served 5 members of the family, 2 adults, a mother and father, 3 children, aged 27 years old, 21 years old, and 15 years old. I'm the only one husband. My duties and responsibilities: cooking, cleaning, washing clothes, ironing clothes, and gardening. If you are giving me a chance to work in Hong Kong, I promise to take care of your family, to love your children as my own siblings. To my future employer, if you are giving me a chance to work, to choose me, I promise to do my job, follow your instruction, finish my 2 years contract, and willing to extend my contract if needed.